guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are gonna learn few uncommonly used Filipino words. I am Dave Louie Gumarang and this is Filipino 101. First, we have palautatan. It is a noun, which translates to statistics. It is a branch of mathematics dealing with the collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of masses of numerical data. If we use it in a sentence, we can say that walang palautatan kung ilang kabataan ang lulong sa droga. Next, we have salimbatok. It is an adjective, which translates to uneven. It is defined as not level, straight, or smooth. If we use it in a sentence, we can say that may mga gusaling salimbatok ang pagkakagawa, ngunit matayog. Lastly, we have sambat. It is a noun, which translates to fork. It is defined as an instrument with two or more prongs used for lifting food to the mouth or holding it when cutting. If we use it in a sentence, we can say that si JR ay hindi sanay kumain ng walang sambat. And that's it for today. For more Filipino facts, just subscribe to this channel. Thank you.